Ready to fly business class for a fraction of the cost? Imagine reclining in luxury, sipping champagne, and skipping the high price tag. In today's video, we'll reveal 6 little-known credit cards that can score you those coveted business class seats. Want to know how? Stick around and upgrade your travel time. Credit cards can unlock business class upgrades by offering sign-up bonus and reward points that convert to airline miles. By earning points on everyday spending and transferring them to airline partners, you can book premium seats at a fraction of the cost. With the right card, luxury travel becomes more accessible. First up on our list is the Barclays JetBlue Business Credit Card. It's perfect for frequent JetBlue flyers looking to earn miles for luxury flights. You can score 60,000 JetBlue points after spending just $2,000 in the first 3 months. Plus, you'll earn 6x points on JetBlue purchases, quickly adding up to your next business class upgrade. With a $99 annual fee, it's an easy choice for those wanting to fly in style without breaking the bank. Next up is the Citi American Airlines Business Credit Card, which makes international business class flights more attainable. With a sign-up bonus of 65,000 miles, after spending $4,000 in 4 months, you're already close to booking a luxurious flight. The card earns 2x points on telecom, gas, and American airline purchases, making it perfect for frequent travelers. Plus, the $99 annual fee is waived off for the first year. Imagine using those points for a 13-hour business class flight to Japan. We're trading a few points for a ride. The Chase Ink Unlimited and Chase Ink Cash cards may fly you under the radar, but they offer powerful travel rewards. With a 75,000 point sign-up bonus after spending $6,000 in 3 months, these business cards can rake up points fast. Ink Cash gives you 10x points on office supplies, internet, and cable, while Ink Unlimited earns 1.5x on all purchases. The best part? You can transfer points to partners like Singapore Airlines or Air Canada and score a business class flight from New York to Paris for just 50,000 points. An incredible deal for luxury travel. Another fantastic option is the Chase Ink Preferred Business Credit Card, which is a heavyweight in the world of business class upgrades. With a sign-up bonus of 100,000 points after spending $8,000 in the first 3 months, this card is a serious contender for those who like to travel in luxury. With this card, a stay at the Park Hyatt Tokyo, a hotel that can easily cost over $500 a night, could be bought for just 25,000 points. If you're aiming for business class travel, the Capital One Adventure X Business Credit Card is a game changer. With a hefty 150,000 miles sign-up bonus after spending $30,000 in 3 months, it's perfect for big spenders. Even better, it offers 10x points on hotels, car rentals, and 5x points on flights. Despite the $395 annual fee, you get $300 in travel credit and $800 anniversary bonus, making it a fantastic deal. Why not use those miles for a business class trip to Asia, paying a fraction of the usual cost? Finally, the American Express Business Platinum Card is all about luxury. With a sign-up bonus of 150,000 points after spending $15,000 in 3 months, it's perfect for businesses with high expenses. You'll earn 10x points on flights and hotel bookings through Amex's travel portal, letting you rake up points quickly. While the $695 annual fee is steep, the card's extensive travel benefits include access to luxury lounge, make it worth for frequent flyers. Imagine enjoying a bed in the sky on your next long-haul flight. Sounds like a dream, right? These 6 credit cards offer amazing value for anyone looking to fly in style without spending a fortune. Whether you're a business owner or just love to travel, these cards can make business class a reality with endless opportunities to earn and redeem points for luxury flights. Which one seems perfect for you? Let us know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button and dive into exclusive travel hacks that will have you upgrading flights, earning more miles, and traveling like a pro. Don't miss out on the next adventure in style.